Good morning, children. So, okay, children, we will going to learn about the family. In the previous class, we learned about the family. So now we are going to know more about the family. In the last class, we learned about similarities and differences between the two families called nuclear and then joint family. We also learned about what are the disadvantage, what are the advantage of the joint family. Okay, so now we are going to talk about the Manu's friend. Manu's friend. So Manu's friend mother is talking something. So let us go and listen what she is going to tell. Okay. So we are going to, yes, let us go to the house of, who's that? Another friend of Manu. We are going to meet the, so here shows there is a Manu's friend house, and that Manu's friend mother she is telling something. Manu's mother, Manu's friend mother, Manu's friend mother. We are going to meet Manu's friend mother. She is telling about something. Let us listen to her. What she is going to tell. We are going to listen what she is going to tell. Okay. I grew up in a big family. Her mother, friend mother, Manu's friend mother. Do you know about Manu, Ramappa family? Have told, is it? So in that Ramappa family, Manu is a, yes, which generation? Fourth or? Yes, fourth or fifth generation, tell me. So that is fourth generation, I think. Manu is a fourth generation. So I want to explain about this family. This family means Manu's friend mother family. She is talking something about her family. We are going to listen it. I grew up in a big family. Who is that? Manu's friend mother grew up in the big or joint family. There were 25 members. In that family, how many members are there? 25 members. In that family, in her father's house. Okay, everybody took the responsibility of nurturing and taking care of the children. So in the big family, that means in the joint family, everybody take the, nurturing the, that means they have the members or every members of that family, they are giving nourishes food to the children, and they were taking care of every children. Okay, so everybody in that family, they are taking care of the children, they are nurturing the children by giving nourishes food. When I was young, when Manu's friend mother was young, when I was young, grandmother used to tell stories. So you also listen to stories from your grandmother, children? Yes, is it? Here also, when the Manu's friend mother young, what happens? Her grandmother used to tell stories, is it? My grandfather told me how to behave with others. Her grandfather also told how to behave in the society, how to behave with others. But now, in my family, that means, but now I have told about when she was, Manu's friend mother was young. So, at present what happens? But now in our family, in my family, what happens? We are only me, my husband and my two children. So in mother's grandmother family, how many members are there? Only 4 members. So one is mother, and then her husband, that means father, and then 2 children. So in that family, there we can see only 2 generations. So now I have to take lunch to my husband who is hospitalized. He was sick, I think. Her husband was sick, so that's why he hospitalized. But she wants to take lunch for him, and also she has a kid, a small child. What is that? Let us see. Where do I leave my child? So this is my worry now. She wants to leave child with others because she wants to take the lunch for her husband who is hospitalized. Understand? And then where do I leave my child? So that's my worry now. So this is her worry. Where do she wants to leave a child, small child. So this is about Manu's friend mother family. So Manu's friend mother, she was living in the big family, but at present she is living in the nuclear family. Okay, so that's the difference. And then she has one small child. She wants to leave that child with other, but no elder persons are there in her house, in her home. But she wants to leave that child with others because she wants to take the lunch for her husband who is hospitalized. So let us move to the next. Her neighbor Razia Didi has come at that time. So her neighbor Razia Didi. So what's her name? Razia Didi. Who is Razia Didi? Her neighbor. Yeah. Whose neighbor? Manu's friend mother neighbor. Razia Didi. Okay. So at that time Razia Didi came to that place, and then let us listen to what she will say. So she is talking with Razia Didi, talking with the Manu's friend mother. Is it? So she is a neighbor. Razia Didi is a Manu's friend mother neighbor. Let us listen to what she will say. So don't worry. Andre Razia Didi at time bartare or even heltale. Let us listen what she is going to tell. Don't worry. Leave your little child in my house. I will take care. We should help one another when we are neighbors. Shouldn't we? Is it correct, children? Yes. So don't worry. Leave your child in my house. I will take care. And then, so we should help each other. We should help one another when we are neighbors. Is it? So Razia Didi, she is telling that leave your child in my house. I will take care of your child. And then we should help each other. We should help one another because we are neighbors. When we are neighbors. Is it correct, children? Yes. We should also help our neighbors. Is it, children? So they also help us. So children, I am going to write on the board some aspects. So it is related. These aspects are related to the two families. One is joint family. Another one is nuclear family or small family. So let us going to learn about this. So children, you should do that aspects are related to two families. You have to write the family name in front of this. So if this sentences or if these aspects are referred to a particular family. So children, listen here. I am writing different aspects. So these are the aspects are related to two families. So one is joint family, another one is nuclear family. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ aspects ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಈ ವಿಷಯ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೂ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನದರ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ಯಾವ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್. ಆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, see here, taking care and protection. So taking care and protection, this can be seen in two families. Okay, so especially mother and father, they will take much care for their children. It is seen in the nuclear family. If the elder persons are there, that means grandmother, grandfather. So where we can see grandmother and grandfather in the joint family, more than two generations. The family which has more than two generations. In that family or in the joint family, we can see elder persons or great grandparents or grandparents. They will take the care of the children. Is it they are taking the care of grandchildren. Okay. So here see our children taking care and protection. So it refers to both. Is it? So this will be, we can see in both nuclear and then joint family. Nuclear and joint family. Okay, next one, giving the required education. So this will you can see in the nuclear family. In the nuclear family, so giving education, giving proper education to the children, it is the responsibility of father and mother, isn't it? So that's why this one especially we can see in the nuclear family. What about the provide provisions for food? This can be seen in both the families. They give the nutritious food to their children. They give the nutritious food to all the family members. Is it? It is nuclear and joint family. Next, teach lessons. So teach lessons, that means if the mother and father is only two members, two elder persons are there in the nuclear family, they will take much care. They will take much care about the education of their children compared to the joint family. They will teach us. They will teach the children. Isn't it? So teach lessons. So it is come under nuclear family. So then consoling if he lost in the game. If you fail in the game, if you lost in the game, what happens? So some persons in our family, they will come and consoling. So this we can see in the nuclear family. So consoling if we lost in the game, it can be seen in the nuclear family. Then provide treatment when sick. Both the family members, they give proper treatment when the other person, they will, if the other person is sick. Nuclear and then joint family. Show love and affection. Next aspect is show love and affection. So this we can see more in the nuclear family. We get our parents' love and affection in the, especially in the nuclear family. Okay. And also the parents or the members that are living in the joint family, they also love their children, love the other, that means they will give more affection towards the grandparents or parents, isn't it? So see here, this can be seen in both the family, joint and then nuclear family. So show love and affection. This will get seen in both the family, that's in the nuclear and then joint family. Next is provide necessities. So if you want to buy some books or some toys, so who will bought it you? So that means your parents. So children, if they are living in the nuclear family, they get whatever they need. They get easily whatever they need, isn't it? So, but in the joint family, all the members in that family, they are busy in that. They are busy in their work, is it? So that's why it is suitable for the nuclear family. Which one? Provide necessities for the children or for the members who are living in the nuclear family. They get whatever they want. If they want anything, if they want any food, any materials or any toys, any books or any clothes, if they want, they will provide. They will get easily. They will get in the nuclear family. So most of the necessities that is fulfilled by our parents only if we are living in the nuclear family. So support when mother is not there. So this one we can see, we can conclude that this one is referred to the joint family. When if the mother is not there, we will going to support elder persons in the joint family. So have seen in the Manu's friend mother family, there is no other person to see the children, to take care the child. So in that case, what happens? She wants to leave her child in the neighbors. So with the neighbors, she wants to leave her child in the neighboring persons, that means in the neighbors. Okay. So but support when mother is not there. So this one we can see in the joint family. If the mother is not there, some elder persons like grandparents or cousins, they will take care of the child. Take care of the other children. Okay. So next, spare lots of time. The members, that means father or mother, they will spend most of the time with the children by playing the games, or they will assist to their homework, isn't it? They will teach them, isn't it? In the free time they will teach something. So that is beyond a book, beyond your textbook. They learn something. If they want to draw something, if they want to craft something, so they will teach. So their parents will teach to their children if they have time. That means they spend lots of time with the children. So this one we can see in the nuclear family. Children, in this class we learned about the two families, about Yes, one is Manu's friend mother family. When she was young, she was living in the pig family. So at present, when she is married, at that time she living in the nuclear family. What problems she faced, we understood by reading this, by learning this lesson. Isn't it, children? And also some aspects have given on the board. So this one refers to two families, that is nuclear and then joint family. So thank you, children. We will continue in the next class.